Good morning, guys. So, today is, what day is today? Today is Tuesday. So, we decided to take video hairstyle every day, right? Yeah, because every day is new hairstyle. So, today I'm making, what hairstyle is this? So, we'll just show you. So I
don't think Wednesday.
Show them there. Not Wednesday. Like that.
It just looks like Wednesday.
Yeah. Two ponytail here.
Mama,
And then, yeah, you can watch after. Show it to them first. Two ponytail, and then Mama will use this too. Show them for a while.
You already used ever braiding.
Yeah. You show them for a while first, and then you can go back watching.
Kasi watch
Wala ko ang partner permis. And then, put it inside. And then, wait, show them your back. Just grab it. Oh, charot. Grab. Oh. Chadan! And then, you cannot see it. And then, and so, I think this one is
red.
You like your hair to be hairstyle always, you know? Huh? You like hairstyle also? They can, oh my god, they can hear lalang babes. Kuha na siya ka ng easy.
It's like Papa.
Yeah.
Everyday
hairstyle, easy everyday hairstyle. So maybe purple. Shoot him, you can you get your phone? Can you just hold it? Oh, para mahunong na siya. No. So let's do this. Choy, nag-video ka? Naa sa cabinet ang isod. Nag-video ko, Choy. You do like that lagi, oh. So, do it in the other side. Just, shadan. Yan atong. So, next is purple. Ako, everyday mag-hairstyle ko. Kung mag-video ka ko na. Pang-upload there. What is this? And then pink, and then next is yellow. So, very nice style. Ato anang ko anong gawin. Ano si tawag ani? Actually, kusog ra magkumanan og mga videos sa YouTube. That is why suon ra sad ta, or mga reels di ay sad no sa Facebook reels. And then to make it more beautiful, you choose.
I like the pink one.
We will put star heart lips.
I like pink.
Okay. This side. Wait, are we? And then purple.
I want orange next because orange is so light.
Let me see the other side. Look at here. I cannot see your other side. And wait.
And then light pink. Light pink next. And then what's the one light pink? No, light pink and then green, then done. Actually no, because look. It's right beside my ear.
You can do like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one only? 4 only? Let me see. Show them. Look, guys. So cutie hairstyle. Easy and quick.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Easy hairstyle for every day. Turn around. Okay. That's it, guys. Bye.
Bye.